Hey guys, hello, good morning. Welcome to sea and welcome to my channel. Right now, vessel is proceeding from USA to. We are going to Panama. Through Panama, we will go one of the Latin American ports, maybe Peru, Chile, Ecuador. Still not decided. So right now, you can see the vessel is proceeding from USA to Panama. Vessel is fully loaded with diesel oil, guys. She is fully loaded with diesel oil, and we will take this cargo. That is around 3 lakh barrels of cargo. We are taking from USA to one of the Latin American ports, and we will discharge this cargo over there. So, guys, today the purpose of my video is we will just make a small intro of the bridge equipments, navigation equipments. So guys, you can see from here, this is the bridge. There are many navigational equipments here, and we will go one by one. I'll just try to show you in a short that which equipments we are exactly using for the navigation. So guys, from here we will start. First of all, I'm not the navigating officer enough. This is 8 to 12, around 9:45. It's a morning time, and the navigating officer is third officer. Say hi. Hi. So third officer is doing the watch 8 to 12, busy with some paperwork, and we will start one by one. One by one, we will do the introduction of the navigation equipment. So guys, this is you can see. So guys, this is you can see this is ECDIS. We have two ECDIS on board, both of GRC. GRC is the make, and this is basically we are using for the information of depth, like land. You can see if I'll zoom out, it's like a chart. Basically, before sailors used to use the charts, paper charts, but now for all the ships, as per the requirements of IMO, should be fitted with two ECDIS, one for the navigation and the other for the planning. So one ECDIS is here, one ECDIS is behind. I'll show you that later. This is X-band radar, 3 cm of course, and this is basically we are using, guys, for to check the vessels in the vicinity. If any vessel is in the vicinity, that will be visible as you can see in yellow color. It will be visible on the display of this radar. Basically, this is the direction of the vessel going, guys. You can see here also on the chart. On chart, you can see the depths and then lands from where we have to keep clear. You can see one vessel is going in this direction. Yeah, the same vessel will be here. I'll just increase the range. You can see one vessel. She is going from here. So you can see, guys. Basically, radar is used, guys, to make sure that the vessels which are in the vicinity, those will be visible. It will be visible on ECDIS also, guys. If you'll put the overlay of the radar on the ECDIS. There is one more vessel here. One vessel is here. Vessel is right now doing a course of 172, and she is going southerly, almost southeast direction. You can see. You can see from here. From here all the way we are coming from Port Arthur, USA, and we are going down to Panama. From Panama, एक मिनट इधर आना third. So guys, I have zoomed out the ECDIS. You can see from here, Port Arthur, USA. We are coming down from here. We are going to the Panama, and I'll just scroll down. You can see here we will cross the Panama, and we will go one of the Latin American ports, whichever will be instructed by the charters. We will discharge the onboard ULSD, that is ultra low sulfur diesel oil, over there. So we are just waiting for the instruction. Right now we got the instruction to cross Panama Canal, and after that we will proceed ahead as per the instruction from charters. So from now onwards, third officer will tell you short brief about all the equipments. Here is third officer, you can see. No problem. Okay, just a short brief, just a short brief. Okay, so this is, what is this third, just tell me.
GPS.
मुंह पे क्या क्या है. Anyway, so guys, this is the conning position. You can see from here we are steering the vessel. So this is the steering wheel. You can, and right now it is on auto, you can see. We can put it on hand. There is one more NFU mode. So this is the heading we are setting as per the gyro compass. There is one more magnetic compass also here on the top. When the gyro fails, we are using the magnetic compass. You can see here, I'll just show you here on the top, we will find a magnetic compass, and here a gyro compass. So on board we have one gyro compass, one spare gyro compass is right behind. So here you can see we have set the heading right now 172, and vessel is steering. She is on autopilot. So 172 heading is maintained by the autopilot continuously. During rough weather or during when we are approaching the port, or we are in the coastal areas, we don't keep this on autopilot, because autopilot respond little slow when if you will compare it to manual steering. In manual steering we can steer very fast and control the heading of the vessel as we require. Guys, basically we don't keep it on auto when we are near the coast. So after this, one more radar, that is S-band radar. That was a X-band, the previous one which I show you. This is S-band radar. So basically you will find on all the ships, you will find S-band and X-band, two types of radar. Here it is, guys, one VHF. Normally on ships you will find two VHFs. There is one, and one more is on the here. I'll just show you, two VHFs are there. So VHF, guys, just for your info, we are just using this for the communication with the vessels which are in the vicinity. You have to just pick this up, press this and speak. You have to select the channel. Normally you will find the distress channel, that is channel 16. You will find all the time we are keeping on watch on channel 16, that is the distress frequency. But when you are communicating with other vessel, you have to select some other channel. You cannot keep this channel busy. Channel 16. Here you will find VDR, voice data recorder, all the data of all the equipment, radar, VHF. You will find microphones also on the bridge. So all the data, it is getting saved in the VDR, voice data recorder. You can call it black box also. Guys, you can see here procedure for extracting VDR data to an USB. So in case if any accident happens on ship, so this is the thing, guys, from where they extract all the data, and they found out exactly what incident happened, how it happened, and how we can avoid this incident once again if we are going to face the same problem again. So basically this is, guys, also for investigation, and you can say also for to make sure that the thing which happened, the incident which happened with the vessel, it doesn't happen again. This is AIS, guys. AIS, automatic identification system. This is fitted on all the ships. You will find on almost on all ships. From here you'll get the data of the vessel which is traveling in the vicinity, like the name, IMO number, whatever information you want about that vessel, particular where she is going, the destination, the draft of the vessel, the type of cargo she is carrying. You will get all the information in this unit. Then here is the window wiper control, that is for the wipers which are right ahead during raining. If there is any water on the glass, if you want to clean that, then you have to use this. Is the steering gear alarm panel, steering gear for the steering gear unit which I have shown you there. That is the steering gear wheel for steering the vessel. There are two steering motors, so if any alarms are there in the steering motors, you will find those alarms here. After this is whistle time controller. Basically this is for horn forward and aft horn. There are two horns on the vessel, one on the forward, and one on the top. On the Monkey Island you will find two horns. So this is for the horns. You can see, you can put it on auto also, 1 blow, 2 blow, 3 blow. There are long blast, short blast, so you can keep the setting if you want to select aft horn, forward horn, as per the horns. Light and horn, there is also that combination is also there. After that, this is a PA controller. If you want to make any announcement on the vessel, so you can use this system. You have to just pick this up, put it on, and if you have to select emergency, if you want to make this if you want to make the announcement in all the areas. Otherwise you can select the particular areas if you want to make the announcement for that particular area. Okay guys, so these are the phones guys. You will find normally this is a normal phone guys to contact the engine room, cargo control room, all the crew cabins. You can contact with this. There are numbers written over here for each rank. And this is a battery telephone guys. This is additional in case if this phone is engaged and you want to contact the places which are really like bridge, engine control room, steering gear room. You want to contact them immediately, you have to select, say, battery telephone numbers are also written over here. After this guys, this is console source. This is showing the source from where it is coming, which equipments are an emergency source, which are on main AC source, which source are right now running, and alarms for the source showing here. In case hospital call alarm, if there is someone is admitted in the hospital, some emergency, like someone is injured and he is admitted in the hospital and he wants to call someone and no one is there to attend, so he can put the just press one button near the hospital bed, so alarm will come here like that. You will find different alarms here. After that we will come here. So guys, this is main engine RPM indicator. This is the telegraph. Here we give ahead astern movements. You can see here different readings, dead slow. These are astern, these are ahead, this is stop position. So dead slow, half and full astern, like that. Dead slow, half and full ahead. So guys, you can see here the maximum speed of the vessel is 15.2 knots. That is almost you can say 27 to 28 kilometers per hour. And here it goes down below as per the speed: dead slow, full, maximum, full. And this is bar speed, that is critical speed, critical RPM. You should not keep the vessel 50 to 63 at normal firing. This is a critical RPM guys. On every ships you will find this critical RPM. You have to tell about this to the pilot. Then this is a local firefighting panel guys, fire detection system. If any alarm is there, you will get the signal here. After this, there is an extension alarm panel for engine room. If any alarms are coming in the engine room, it will be shown here. Normally you will find this panel in all the engineers cabin. They will show you this panel in all the engineers cabin, and also in officer and crew smoke room, officer and crew mess room. If there is any alarm they want to, if the engineers are not in their cabin, then they can get they can check the alarm at those places. This is the engine maneuvering system. This is again showing the RPM which has been set by the ship and which is actual RPM here. Also it is showing any alarms are there, 2 alarms it is showing. This is the push button for main engine emergency stop. Here it will come flicker stop, buzzer stop. This is for all the flickers and buzzers. This is inert gas generator guys. IG inert gases which we are feeling inside the tank. The mainline pressure it is showing here. Mainline pressure, mainline pressure, common alarms. If any alarms are there, it will be shown here. Mainline pressure also there. Oxygen content is also showing. This fire alarm push button gives fire on bridge, and you want to push it, you have to break this glass and push the button. That's it. Then it will raise the fire alarm. Here you can see navigation light control panel. These are the navigation lights right now running guys. This is for the dimmer. Right now starboard green, port red, forward and aft masthead light is also on. Also this is the panel for all the navigational lights. All the navigational lights you can see. This is the panel. Sorry, these are the normal lights guys. These were normal navigational lights. Sorry, and this is the normal lights panel. I mean, on all the ships you can see many lights are there, so for that this panel is there. Then this is for fire pumps. There are 2 fire pumps on ship and 1 emergency fire pump. General emergency alarm push button, you have to just put this button. This is auto, this is manual. This is gas sampling detection system, guys, for the ballast tank or for the accommodation, and also for the AC, air conditioned unit room. So this is the control console for the bridge, guys, and here you can see down below there are some dimmers for different panels which are right up there. You will find the dimmers here, or for those panels which are lying right there, you will find the dimmer here. This is the, you can see one more unit here. This is, you can see basically whatever wheel orders, helm orders you are giving, it will be shown here. That is basically a repeater. This is again once again managing RPM indicator. This is a clock. This is inclinometer, how much latitude it will show, rudder angle indicator, how much rudder angle now right now the autopilot is giving. A remote display unit for Doppler lock. There is a Doppler lock, and this is wind and speed indication. This is showing wind speed and direction. Here you will find gyro compass, 3D dynamic sensor. Basically it is showing a heading now. So guys, if here it is the VHF Fusion Navigational Watch Alarm System. These are the 3 emergency radio VHF. Or if you are abandoning the vessel, then you have to carry these 3 radios with you, and these are the spare batteries for them. After that, you will find here the side C guide. This is a side C. Basically, this is a GMDS console, guys. It is maintained by the onboard third officer. Third officer is the communication officer during emergency. And what is this third officer? And this is one more side C, guys. So vessel have 2 side C, and this is a MFHF.
Telex and telephone.
This one is telex, na?
One is telex and one is telephone.
Okay. This one is telex, guys. DSC and BDP. And this one is telephony. We also have PA system over here. The unit which I have shown you on the forward console, it is also here. Also, you can speak, press and speak. Here also you will find some equipments like Navtex receiver, Navtex navigation warnings you will receive here for the coastal areas. And this is eco sounder right now showing 272 meter depth below keel. And this is again Doppler lock. This is 2 GPS on board. You can select the switch which you want to select for you want to get the feed from one of the GPS, so you can select which GPS you want to select exactly. After this, this is the clock, ship's clock. From here you are synchronizing all the ship's clock. Here are the settings for that. Then this is course recorder, guys. It is recording the course which we are doing. And this is the weather facsimile, whatever weather warnings, if any storm, anything is approaching, or if it is normal weather, you want to just get a weather reports from, you can receive through the weather facsimile. This is another ECDIS, guys. ECDIS which is we are using for the planning purpose. One is, this is also make GRC.